Hi guys! Today we'll fix the Reddit videos not playing issue. If Reddit videos won't load or play, follow these simple troubleshooting steps. After unlocking your phone, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak or disconnected, reconnect to a stable network and then try playing the Reddit video again. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to the home screen and open the Settings app. Then tap General to access your iPhone storage settings. In the General menu, tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down through the list of installed apps until you find the Reddit app. Open the Reddit app details. Here you'll see storage options that can help refresh the app without removing your personal data. Tap Offload app. Then reinstall the app once the process is complete. This refreshes the app files while keeping your documents and data, which often fixes video playback issues. And that's how you can easily fix Reddit videos not playing step by step. Once completed, Reddit videos should play normally if the issue was caused by a network problem or corrupted app files. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.